Sure to watch Molly's channel tomorrow.
Like there, can you see that?
Hold up.
Good morning guys, it is Saturday and I'm currently leaving the house because yesterday, I didn't even know this, but I'd missed a delivery. I'm pretty sure it's for me, and I'm going with my dad to pick it up because he thinks it's for him, but like I am pretty sure that it is for me, and if it's what I think it is, it's going to be so exciting and I can't wait to show you guys. So we're heading to the like the depot. The post office, yeah, but it's like a depot, isn't it? Oh, you can't really see me, that's great. But yeah, it's another really warm day today. I haven't even really got ready. I've literally just got out of bed, put an outfit on and some sunglasses. My hair is still how I slept with it, just because I really wanted to come to the post office to collect it, because if it's what I think it is, I'm so excited to show you. So my dad's gonna take the camera in because I'm not really dressed properly, and if it's for him, I'm gonna be so upset. So here you go.
Thank you. Okay.
It's still recording.
You can edit it. Hiya. Great.
Oh, it is for me. It's from RedHare. Okay, so it's not the delivery I thought it was gonna be. I think that will probably come later this week because it is coming from America, so I thought it would probably be a bit quick. But it's exciting anyway, so I'm gonna show you when I get home. But now we're just gonna drive back. And something I have noticed on the drive here is that there seem to have been an abundance of England flags go up. Like obviously England play today. And fun fact, I've actually put a £7 bet on England winning. God, it's everywhere. There's an inflatable blow-up England player at this Ford garage. We're just driving past it, you can't see. But yeah, basically there's just loads of flags and I feel like the country are going a bit, not over the top, but I think we're just running before we can walk. Like, are we gonna win? I don't know. We'll see after today, I guess. I'm quite excited to watch the match. Even though I'm not a football fan, I feel like it's different when it's the World Cup, you know? Okay, so this was actually a tiny little PO box delivery. So I'm so grateful for this. Urban Decay have sent me their oil control setting spray, which I don't know if they knew or if it's just a random coincidence. I think it is. But when I was on the plane coming back from Ibiza, the air pressure made my Urban Decay setting spray explode. And when I opened it at my house, it just went everywhere. So I don't have that anymore, so that's such good timing. And then they've also sent me this EOS collaboration with Wimbledon, which is so cute. So I've got a little kind of Pims, an EOS lip balm and a tennis ball, and it's like just a really nice collaboration, obviously with it being Wimbledon season and summer. So yeah, thank you so much to EOS and Urban Decay for these. Very excited to have the setting spray back again. I hadn't rebought it for myself, so that was perfect timing. And you guys know I love a good EOS lip balm. So right now what I'm going to do is just go finish editing yesterday's vlog in the garden. I haven't actually finished editing it yet, and then once I've done that I'll get ready properly because I'm going out in about an hour and a half just into town. I need to get some euros out because I go to Lanzarote a week today, so very excited for that. But I haven't really prepared because in my head I had like two lots of holidays. I had like my friend holidays, which I've now been on, and then two family holidays, and there's like a gap in between, so I hadn't prepared for my like second half of holidays. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do this afternoon. I actually didn't realise, guys, but this has been custom made. It has my name on it. That is so cool. Thank you so much, Urban Decay. They're like my favourite brand ever, so yeah, that is so cool. So I was outside editing my video and my laptop started getting so hot, and I have quite an old model MacBook Pro, so it's like it's 3 years old. Model. No, it's not. It's the 2015 model. I got it for my 16th birthday. It's 3 years old, so it's not massively old, but for an Apple product, they don't usually last much longer than that, and they do it on purpose, and it's really slow. And it is noticeably getting really slow, and I do want a new one, but they're so expensive, and I think I want a new camera before I want a new laptop, so I need to make this laptop last. But it started getting so hot, and usually it gets really hot when I'm exporting videos. Like when I export my vlogs or whatever, my laptop gets really hot, and it makes a really loud like sound. And it started doing that, but I wasn't exporting a video. I was like, oh, that's weird, and I just ignored it, carried on, and then it started lagging, and then it just completely crashed. So now my laptop's in the fridge. Yep. I don't think that's gonna work though. Surely that's not gonna work. So I was walking through town and my cousin texted me a picture of the Hull Daily Mail, and apparently me and Tom are in it from prom. So I went to pick it up from WH Smith's, but I haven't really had a chance to look yet, so this is exciting. Okay, I'm now back from town. England are currently playing. It is 1-0, we're 1-0 up, and basically when they scored, and it was quite funny, I wish I'd been vlogging, I had just taken like a sip of my drink, like I was holding it to my mouth, and then they scored and my family were like screaming, and I like jumped and tipped my glass over myself. Hello. Didn't I pour my drink over myself?
Yes.
So that was quite amusing. But I'm just gonna get a quick snack before the second half starts. And then, yeah, Harry has his friend round. We're just all watching it together. I don't really know what I want to eat though. Also, I forgot to show you my hair. I did my hair today. It's kind of come out now. But I did like a Dutch braid. Like, I don't know if you can see it. I think it looks quite good because of all the dye in my hair. It like kind of looks really like stripy. What score do you think it's gonna finish?
2-0
2-0 to Hull City? Oh yeah, okay. 2-0 to England.
2-0 to Harry Maguire.
Okay. So England have just gone 2-0 up, but the funniest thing ever had just happened because my brother and his friend are sat in here watching it on a different television that is literally about a second or 2 seconds ahead of our television. And they both like leapt up and celebrated when they scored, but on our telly they hadn't scored yet. So yeah, we knew they'd scored before they had, but
I thought they maybe hadn't because
I thought they were winding us up.
No, I didn't, but it was quite a subdued
Yeah,
cheer.
yeah.
We've never analysed them cheering because we cheer at the same time as them.
Yeah, that's true. I've never noticed if Harry screams loudly. It's you that screams loudly. It scares me. Dad's got such like a deep yeah, and it really scares me. So we are having a barbecue. It's nearly ready, I think. Is it meant to do that? Okay. So we've got some rice, some pasta, some chicken and chorizo kebabs, some vegetables, some cheese, some bread, and then sausages and burgers. And Harry is over here. So I'm just waiting for the food to be ready now. I'm gonna eat this actually. Red peppers are the best. Did you get it in? Harry's newfound hobby is golf.
Smallest golf club in the world.
But he's trying to put them into that box. He's propped a box up over here. Go on, keep rolling. Okay, go on then. No. Oh. Guys, I wish you could smell how strong this smells because I am being actually gassed. The whole of this area stinks of smoke. And the crowd goes wild. England are in the semi-final. Oh, and now he's got a golf club.
Filming it for the vlog.
You're really zoomed in, aren't you? Subscribe to my channel.
Boys and girls of all ages. I'm not saying, okay, right. I'm not saying I'm talented or anything, but watch me just crossbar first time. Right, we didn't see that. Second time. Crossbar. Cut this out, crossbar. Cut it out again, cut it out. Delete this scene, crossbar first time. I'm gonna cut all these out, Molly. Yeah! So good! So good! You know, I'm not saying I'm talented, but we're burning a crossbar. Only put that one in, yeah? Yeah.
Sure to watch Molly's channel tomorrow for a very special drive with me.
Not tomorrow.
Oh, not tomorrow. Don't watch it tomorrow. Well, yeah, do watch it tomorrow, but soon, coming soon, drive with me.
Next week.
Next week, when Molly's not here.
Actually, what is going on? I don't know if you can see it on camera. Harry has carved a smiley face into the box. How old are you? So we have just popped to Morrison's because you guys might have seen it in the vlogs when I was in Madrid. Me, Liv, Eve, and Lizzie. We played cards when we were like in the room in the evening, and then I came home and I was telling my family, I was like, oh, we played this card game. And they were like, oh cool, yeah, that's great. And I was like, no, like I want to play the card game, but it turns out we don't have any cards in the house. So come tomorrow, buy a pack of cards. Why do we not own cards? Like that is an essential part of life, isn't it? I mean, I've never played them before, so it's not as if I've like missed out, but. So they don't have playing cards, but my dad picked up this, what he just bought off Amazon, and it's a coffee press. These always look so bougie in people's Instagrams. Just walking past this stand in Morrison's, guys, and look, they've re-released Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets because it's been 20 years this year since it came out, but they've brought it out in 4 different editions, so like the Gryffindor, Slytherin, Ravenclaw and Hufflepuff. I think that is so cool. 12-year-old me would be quaking.
You don't point it at me.
It is now Monday. We have jumped a day in this vlog because I filmed a slightly different kind of vlog yesterday. It will already be up on my channel. You should go and check it out. But it is now Monday the 9th of July, I think, and I'm actually about to go to an appointment at my dermatologist. Now I'm going to explain this to you properly once I get back because I'm in a rush now. But basically I'm heading off to have a chemical patch test done, and I will explain all once I'm back. Okay, so I'm now back from the doctors, and well, it wasn't really the doctors actually, it was like a nurse, and I went a couple of weeks ago to have a dermatologist appointment which had taken about a month to come through. So like I had to be put on the waiting list, and then I got an appointment and I actually couldn't like make it because I was on holiday. So I had it rescheduled to today, and I've just been, and basically I'm going to show you what they've done, if I can show you. I don't really know how I'm going to. So yeah, I don't know if you can see my back. I'm not sure. Yeah, basically I've got 3 strips on it because what they're doing is a chemical patch test for allergies. So they've had to put it all on my back. It feels horrible. Like 3 strips of loads of different things that I could be allergic to. So like preservatives, dyes, metal, like things that I come into contact with on a day-to-day basis, but not food, to see what could be causing a reaction to my skin. Now, I haven't necessarily had bad skin. You guys can see that I've got really clear skin, and that is due to my skincare routine that I've followed religiously, of the cream that the doctors gave me, the Freedom like clearing gel really helps, and also the, what else have I been using? Like the face wash, just regular face wash. That's all I've been doing. And when I don't have the rash, my skin is so clear, but when I get the rash, it's like here, and it's also kind of like on my chest as well. So I've had a test for it. I have to now leave this on until Wednesday, so I can't have a shower, which is so annoying because it's such hot weather, but I can like sit in the bath as long as I don't get my back wet. So yeah, I'm just basically gonna have these things on my back for the next 2 weeks. Not 2 weeks, 2 days. I can't really show you it properly. Like there, can you see that? My hair looks such a state. So they're like stuck on my back, and then what happens is I will either have a irritated reaction to it or an allergic reaction. So I go back on Wednesday and they're going to take them off, and they'll see if there's been any reactions, and if there have, that's like an irritated reaction, so like it's irritated my skin. And if it's still there on Friday, so I have to go for another appointment on Friday, then that's an allergic reaction, and then it could be whatever I'm allergic to that is causing this issue with my skin. So it's gonna be a while, like it's quite a long process, but it's the first step, and I'm glad that I've had it done. And like, you really can't fault the NHS because they moved it up as quick as they could, like they sorted it as quick as they could, because when I was getting it at its worst, it was like making me not want to leave the house. So to be fair to them, they did it as fast as they could, and it was like amazing service. So yeah, I really don't think you can ever fault the NHS, but whatever. Now I'm gonna have a snack. I've got a lot of editing to do, I've got a couple of emails to do, and there could be quite an exciting announcement at the end of this vlog, but I have to wait to get a reply for an email first, so maybe there will, maybe there won't. Okay guys, it's been a while. I've now straightened my hair, sort of, to the best of my ability. It won't straighten. Don't know why. I think it's the heat. It's just like a bit too humid for it, but I've done the best I can. I've also organised all of my makeup. Now, it doesn't really look like I have, but if I show you the inside of this drawer, like to me, this is just so satisfying. I've got all my lip glosses in here, organised all of this. I know it still looks a bit of a mess, but honestly, compared to what it was, it's so much better. So I sat and did that for about probably like an hour while I was on FaceTime to Lizzie, and now I'm about to go to Tom's house and I'm going to bake cookies, and then I think I'm going to football tonight. I said that I'd go because I thought it would be a really nice evening, but it's actually gone cloudy, but whatever. I'm not going to complain because all week I've been complaining I'm too hot. So yeah, I just need to get changed because I can't really go out and watch a football match with my back looking like that. So I need to put a t-shirt on so that you can't see all of that. And then yeah, guys, I'm at Tom's house. We just bought all of these ingredients from Morrison's because we're about to bake cookies and fairy buns. Apparently Tom was quite the baker when he was younger.
Still on?
Tom Baker. Wait, what's that? Oh no, that's Ted Baker.
Do
I just do one egg?
Yeah, 1 egg beaten.
Oh, okay. I think it's whisked.
Yeah.
It's bad for you, raw eggs. You can get salmonella. What's coming home, Tom?
Football's coming home.
We are now making a second batch, and we are crushing up Oreos instead of putting chocolate chips in it, which was Tom's genius idea. So this is our Oreo mixture. We're making 6 Oreo cookies and 6 chocolate chip cookies. Also, we've got the radio on. These went massive in a cookie. That is huge. Oh my god, we're gonna cut them up. They look good though. Millie's cookies.
Still a bit sour. You ready?
Nice.
You ready, babes?
Yeah.
Sing no more.
No more. No more. I wanna. What about is that? Like quack, quack, quack?
Touch, touch, touch.
No, the next bit.
Cry.
Oh, cry. I thought it was quack. Oreo one's done, regular one's done. Pasta is being cooked. We have 45 minutes until we need to go out, and we're listening to Tom Walker. Dun, 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 dun. Okay guys, I'm now home. I went to football with Tom. They won. It was actually really good. We sat on the sidelines, me and my friend Izzy, and I haven't seen my friends for quite a while actually, since prom. But then like even at prom I feel like I didn't see them properly because everybody was talking to like everybody, so it was really nice to sit and have a catch up. But I did say that there was an exciting announcement coming at the end of this vlog, and you guys now actually already know this if you follow me on social media, but in case you haven't seen it, me and Eve, so my friend Eve Bennett, are actually doing a meetup at Summer in the City this year. So I'm super excited, and I'm actually super grateful because this is the first year that I've attended Summer in the City as a creator. Now, I've always gone on my own ticket. I've bought the tickets to go and to meet you guys. In fact, the first year I went as a viewer. I went in 2015. No, I didn't. 2016 was the first year that I went, and I did go as a creator, kind of. Like, I went and met you guys there, but I bought the tickets a full year in advance before I'd even had, I don't think I'd even got 3,000 subscribers or something. Like, my dad bought me the tickets to go and meet, like, originally Dan and Phil. It was like when they used to go, and I went as a viewer, and then ended up, by the time August rolled around, having quite a lot of subscribers and meeting you guys there. And I went last year as a viewer, essentially. Like, I bought my ticket and I went, and I did go to the creator party, but I wasn't there as a guest. This year is the first year that I'm going, and I'm going to be like a creator there, which is so exciting. I'm like over the moon with it. And I'm also doing a meetup, which is so exciting. I've done one meetup in the past. I did a meetup in April at Big Beauty Day Out. It was amazing. I loved meeting you guys. I love chatting to you. I love getting pictures with you. So me and Eve are doing one this year. It's on the Saturday, and if you want to come and if you want to meet me, you have to put me on the ballot. Now, I don't really know how it works. I don't know if it's like the top choice is your first choice, and obviously I'm up against a lot of other big YouTubers who you're probably going to want to meet way more than you want to meet me, and I'm not going to take that personally at all. So if you don't put me down, like, I'm not offended, but I'm just letting you know the option is there if you want to, because I get a lot of comments being like, would you ever do a meetup? And I am now doing an official meetup at Summer in the City. So yeah, I'll leave a link to the ballots down below if you do want to meet me or Eve or both of us. We will be there on Saturday. I don't think I'm going to be there on Sunday, so if you do want to meet me at Summer in the City, it is going to just be the Saturday, I think. I did both days last year and it was just a bit too much. Like, it was just too intense and I didn't really enjoy it. So Saturday only if you want to meet me, I think. And yeah, official meetup. I don't know what time it will be, but I am doing a meet and greet or whatever. So yeah, it's mad to me. Like, it blows my mind that I'm sat here telling you guys, because what the hell, I've been to these events as a viewer so many times, so I don't know how this has happened, but yeah, I'm so grateful for the opportunity. So yeah. Anyway, I'm now going to go to bed. I'm just going to finish editing this vlog. It is currently 11:15, so I'm just going to pop the last clips in, edit it, upload it, and then I think I'm going to watch an episode of The Confession Tape. Started watching it yesterday after you guys told me to watch Netflix, and now I'm hooked. So yeah, I'm going to do that. I hope you've enjoyed this 2-day vlog. If you have, give it a thumbs up. I won't be vlogging tomorrow because I'm actually going into school, like, to do a concert. It's the last thing I will ever do with my high school, but I'm not going to film it because it's like all day, there's nothing to film, it's just a like orchestra concert, it'd be very boring. So I will see you on Wednesday or Thursday with a brand new vlog. Subscribe if you're new, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you then. Bye!